The heliocentric theory is the astronomical model that places the Sun at the center of the solar system, with the planets, including Earth, orbiting around it. This model explains the observed movements of celestial bodies and replaced the earlier geocentric model, which had Earth at the center. The heliocentric theory, proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus in the 16th century, laid the groundwork for modern astronomy and changed our understanding of the universe. Example: imagine a mobile hanging from the ceiling in a child's room. The Sun is like the center of the mobile, and the planets are like the hanging objects that move around it. This setup helps visualize how the planets revolve around the Sun in the heliocentric model. This formula represents Newton's law of universal gravitation, explaining the gravitational force between two objects.